farm gate they sell at Lowe's. Let's install that. Gonna need a hammer, maybe a tape measure, 9/16, and something that slides over this. For me it was a 17mm deep. I'm sure you can find a lot of other things. Pipe, big crescent wrench, just something to turn that. Let's go install this. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is mark where this bottom eyelet is going to go into your post. Like, get your gate where you want. It's probably way easier with two people. I'm kind of by myself today, but figure out where you want your gate and how high you want it. And this is going to be the first one you're going to have to put in, is the bottom fixed one. The top one's adjustable. So as long as you get it close, you're good. You got like 4 or 5 inches here to figure that out. Next thing I'm going to do is prop up that into the fence so I can see exactly where I want to put that top one. This one's facing up. You're going to want this one facing down like that. And you'll adjust it through this. You'll unloosen this, and this is how you'll get it up in there and then tighten it. That way someone just can't lift the gate off. They're going to need tools. You could even weld this shut if you were really worried about someone breaking in. I got that one marked where I want it. I'll go ahead and screw that one in. I'll spare you the boredom of that. Okay, I got those in. One pointed down, one pointed up. Now we'll come over here. We'll loosen this bracket. There we go. That'll slide for us. Now we can get her on. Slide the bottom in first. Then the top. And there you have it. Now it comes with this chain here. Chain is shut. This one's a little different because I cut the fence here and these posts were already here. I'm going to put this fence back here like this. Let me show you another way real quick how I actually install these gates. I have 2 other ones. Okay, this is the way I would rather install this gate, is it going this way. I built this fence and did these posts, so I bought the gate first so I knew the spacing. And the reason why I do it this way is, like, this gate's probably been up like 7 years. Same type Lowe's gate or whatever. But now, you know, after 7 years of getting open and shut 4 or 5 times a day, it's starting to sag. So I'm gonna fix it right now. So I'm just gonna screw this one in a little, and if I have to, maybe that one out a little, and it'll straighten the gate out. See, the way we did the other one, there's not gonna be any adjustments, but that one gets opened like twice a year. So I'm not too worried about that one. But if I had my choice of which way to do it, I would do it this way.